एंड हम सभी इंडियन कुछ अच्छा काम करने से पहले हमेशा भगवान का नाम लेते हैं। तो आज ये परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाली है। तो once again, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in the air and make some noise for our first performance, Ganesh Vandana. Everyone, come on, let's hear it together. Thank you so much.
जन सुखदायक विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा।
और पूरे देश को कैसे नौजवानों को कैसे स्किल किया जाए और स्पेशली हमारे जो सिक्योरिटी सेक्टर के जितने भी लोग हैं जो नौजवान इसमें आना चाहते हैं जो ऑलरेडी हैं उनको कैसे हम अपस्किल करते हैं ताकि देश में एक अच्छा रक्षा सुरक्षा का प्रबंधन हो पाए। बाकी स्पीकर महोदय बैठे अलग अलग सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल से हम सभी लोग मिलके जो प्रधानमंत्री की कौशल विकास योजना है जिसमें कम से कम मिलियंस लोगों को स्किल करने का प्रधानमंत्री का अपना कार्यक्रम है उसके हम कार्यरत हैं। सिक्योरिटी सेक्टर में कुल मिला के देश में कोई 7 मिलियन सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स हैं। ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स है, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी। और भारत में हमारी संख्या आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, पुलिस को मिला के भी ज्यादा है। और हमारा जो बढ़ोतरी था जिसको ग्रोथ रेट बोलते हैं वो कोई 25% है। वो भी देश पे जितना भी बिजनेस हो रहा है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा हमारा ग्रोथ रेट है। और इस सेक्टर में हमारा जो शॉर्टफॉल है वो कोई 30% है। ग्रोथ रेट 25% है, शॉर्टफॉल हमारा 30%। कुल मिला के कोई 55% के करीब हमें लोगों की हर साल जरूरत पड़ती है जिस ढंग से हमारा विकास हो रहा है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, compliments. The name is always wrong. I don't know this got squeezed from the right side. Normally the name gets squeezed. It came out. Then it doesn't matter. So I represent Electronic Sector Skill Council. My friend have spoken from Security Council. Many of you may be knowing we are forming a part of Ministry of Skill Development. Different verticals, looking to different industry segments, and we are empowered to define the curriculum in an industry specific way. This is the basic objective with which Sector Skill Council was formed, and we are working on it very seriously. Today we are very much aligned with the industry related jobs we have created, and we are very much in demand and we are moving well. But I will tell you the story about electronics a little bit, and that runs it more perspective to the current discussion here.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Jagriti Mehta Sandhi from Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneurs, an executive committee member and the fashion and fabric designer. FIWI is an apex body of Association of Women Entrepreneurs situated all over the country. At present, it has a strength of 29 member association spread all over the country. FIWI is focused toward women entrepreneurs by providing an opportunity to develop their own creativity and capacity for the development and growth. FIWI tries to fill the gap of information, networking, understand the current business environment and the unique service, and also opportunities through workshop, seminars, and awareness program and etc. Today, we are discussing developing entrepreneurship. Actually, entrepreneurship is an inborn characteristic. Either one have or not. of good businessmen may have such a characteristics which the parents have. We have seen so many times in real life. We can discuss basic elements which found very common in successful entrepreneurs in society, but percentage of different elements always varies from entrepreneur to entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship in recent times has become an important area of study. It has considered to be a solution creating, wealth generating, employment and providing a new and better goods and service.
Thanks Skill India, thanks Riyada, Rishabh. So great points from my fellow panelists. I think they've really set the trend and running late. Won't take too much time, but just a quick introduction for myself. My name is Sudhanshu Yogi. I head group marketing and brand for Religare, and Religare is known as the diversified financial services group. We have multiple offerings and services in the financial services space, and our linkage as an organization with the entrepreneurial ecosystem is multifold. One of the biggest linkages that a large business, with the largest business, the biggest business of ours is financing to the SMBs. So we provide growth capital to the SMBs and entrepreneurs in the form of debt capital and loans. We also, as part of our private equity business, have an early stage venture fund which is focused on tech entrepreneurs, does pre-series A investments and a whole lot of other things.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to be here with you all, and I'll introduce myself as representing the Tourism and Hospitality Sector Skill Council. You all are aware of the functions of the Sector Skill Council. We have developed unique 63 job roles till now, and we have another 86 job roles which are under construction with the help of the industry. And this year we have managed to train nearly 100,000 people on various job roles. So it's probably one of the most active sector of the NSDC. We have over 180 training partners spread around 500 centers across the country now already. Out of that, some are non-active, so they have taken the affiliation but have not been able to deliver. But otherwise, most of the partners are very active. One of the major learnings which has happened over the last 1.5 years of this process is that entrepreneurial roles have not yet come up under the funding of the government schemes. For example, if you look at the funding for the job roles is only on NSQF level 3 and 4. Now NSQF level 3 and 4 are not necessarily the entrepreneurial and encouraging roles. While if you are looking at developing certain roles which actually help somebody to develop his own business, then you will need a little high level of NSQF learning